He's the next big thing.
He's been a dominant force around the world.
He's a future world champion.
He's can't miss.
He's the main event. He's a lock. He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock.
I am the lock.
It's the man who might transform. Saxton. Profits are up.
Get your thermal cups up. Here comes the smoke.
You're legitimate. The Intercontinental Champion may have recently lost his chance to rack up another title, but he's back tonight to take another crack at the Street Profits.
The Rock seems to have lost more than that. His mind, maybe? A terrible bet?
Man, do I hate to agree with Corey, but I just don't see how a handicap match against the Raw Tag Team Champions could end well for the ambitious rookie.
Ringing shoulder breaker. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Perched up top. Brace for this impact. Like a guillotine.
Very measured elbow drop.
And Dawkins is into the cover. Feet on the ropes. Wait. Come on, Rep, open your eyes. Trampling the opposition. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. He's been placed in the corner now. Forearm to the jaw. Kick after kick after kick. How humiliating. Oh, the lock gets caught with a counter. Oh, what a right. Yeah, that's some attitude behind it. Nice takedown. Here he goes for the win. Kicks out before one.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank. Smashing the jaw.
Rolling elbow finds its mark. Ouch. Dawkins with the reversal. Uh-oh. Oh, God, that's a bad landing. A totally ill-advised decision there.
Maybe slight hesitation there caused the outcome.
Bulldog. A bit of psychological warfare from Angelo Dawkins here. With the reversal. The ref still counting, might be a count out. Makes it back just in time.
Whew, that was really close.
Ooh, well-planted knee.
Ouch.
We've already seen a few shots delivered up in that region.
Whoa, drop kick all the way to the outside. And that one misses the mark. Is it enough for The Rock?
Two. And picks up a monumental victory. Here is your winner, The Lock, Daniel Morales. I may have been skeptical, but The Lock delivered the goods tonight. The Lock has made a believer out of Corey Graves, everyone. Anything is possible.
This one felt special from the moment the bell rang. We knew it was going to be a show.
So, what do you think? Can I handle going after singles and tag championships?
Man, you just confirmed everything I thought about you. The Lock is the real deal. But here's the thing. I'm sticking with the original plan. Gabe and I, we're gonna take the tag title rematch.
But I got us the rematch by beating the Street Profits. By myself.
And I appreciate that. I really do. You're out there like a boss, doing CEO things, and I love it. But let's stick to the plan. You're our singles guy, remember? And this way, we'll all have championships. It's a win-win.
Gabe, you've been quiet. Don't you think it should be me and you going after the tag titles?
I actually think MVP's right. It makes more sense for us to pursue the tag titles while you focus on your singles run.
Exactly. And for the Hurt Business to achieve greatness, we all need to be on the same page. Not that we aren't.
Fine. Understood. I'll trust the process.
We're good here. And don't overthink any of this, because at the end of the day, it's just business.
So how did it feel to watch from the sidelines as your Hurt Business teammates captured the Raw Tag Team Championships?
The Hurt Business is a solid group, and we're even more solid now that all of us are champions.
Is that what MVP told you to say?
What are you getting at?
It seems like you've taken a back seat to MVP, but you're supposed to be the CEO, right?
MVP's got a plan, but he runs everything by me first. And it's working.
But we've seen this before with MVP and the previous Hurt Business. Is there trouble already?
You know what? I think I've said all I want to say.
The man destined to be top dog. It's The Lock.
All hail the Queen, Queen Zelina.
Bow your head, Saxton. Show some respect for the Queen.
Only time I bow my head is when my neck hurts.
And his partner from Queens, New York, Queen Zelina. So exciting to see the power of Tozawa. And from Kobe. Don't look now, but there may be an alliance forming between two of the most electrifying groups in WWE.
We're getting our first glimpse of the Intercontinental Champion and three of a kinds, Queen Zelina, working side by side. And it's an intimidating sight to behold.
Could be the start of a very powerful relationship. Or the end if Tozawa and Tamina find a way to get the last words. Measured elbow drop driven down.
Cover! We're gonna put this one away. Hooks the leg. Wait a minute, using the ropes here for leverage.
He's really trying to rush this match.
Suplex. He's absorbed some damage already.
What makes a great tag partner, Cole, is knowing when to tag. We'll find out soon enough if he's even a good tag partner.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner. This won't end well. Perched up top, could be looking for a superplex. Maybe something more. This is gonna be big.
It's gonna hurt.
Falcon Arrow.
Almost put him through the ring. Like they say, what goes up must come down, and that was a long way down.
There it is. Boom. Nice. The upper hand now belongs to Lock.
You gotta wonder, what does this do to Tozawa's confidence? Waist lock. No, no.
Belly to belly.
My goodness.
Perched up top. He misses the target.
Short flight, but a rough landing.
Arm drag. Oh, what a knee strike. senton. Oh, what a flip. Incredible. She's sent flying into the corner. Dueling DDTs!
Nicely done.
And Locke gets surprised there. Right to the kidneys from behind. Oh, elbow caught him right at the bridge of the nose. He tags out, which means it's now time for the women to compete. Arm drag. Oh, what a knee strike. Looking bad for her here. Left by the turnbuckles. Gotta hurt. Oh, look at this aggression in the corner.
Yeah, on the throat in the corner.
Just using their foot as a weapon.
So ruthless.
How about this?
Dueling DDTs!
Nicely done.
Tamina being controlled by the opposition here.
Unrelenting attacks from Zelina.
Oh my God, a small package driver. He's returning fire. Into the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target.
DDT style.
Dragon Slayer. Oh my goodness.
Good night. Trapped and no.
And she lets her free.
But the damage was certainly done, Michael.
All measured up. Drop kick to the back. Tamina now is being sized up. Zelina ready to go.
Royal Code Red. Will that sew this up for Zelina?
Trap in the arm.
Crossface submission.
A tap out. Really no shame in losing that way.
And this mixed tag's over. What a win.
Here are your winners. The Lock, Daniel, Morales, and Queen Zelina.
Now that the mixed tag insanity's over, can we give the ref a raise? I mean, he definitely earned his paycheck tonight. Dominant forces within their own divisions, even more impressive together.
They are ready for a fight. The following contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, accompanied by Queen Zelina at a combined weight of 433 pounds. The Lock, Daniel Morales, and Gabriel Slade.
That Intercontinental Championship looks good on the Lock, doesn't it?
He won it in his debut and hasn't looked back. And their opponents, accompanied by Shayna Baszler at a combined weight of 458 pounds, Butch and Ridge Holland, the Brawling Brutes. Oftentimes with teams, you know one member is better than the other. These are two superstars who are... Well, it didn't take long for the Intercontinental title's new alliance with three of a kind to hit a Sheamus-sized speed bump.
The Lock and Gabriel Slade will be looking to recover that speed bump, and they'll have to do it against the always fierce Butch and Ridge Holland.
With Queen Zelina and Shayna in opposite corners, we could be in for some real fireworks tonight, fellas.
Big back body drop.
Putting up a united front as this match continues.
Up and down with the gut bump.
Puts the brakes on Slade. Counters that.
Spiked with a Michinoku driver.
Whoa, what a save. Corey, that should have been 3.
I couldn't agree more.
He's a hoping to end it here. 2. And a kick out right away. Michinoku driver.
Double arm lock. Yeah, double arm lock zone.
Second powerbomb too. Jarring European uppercut.
And he tosses it back in now.
Inverted vertical suplex.
The end may be in sight for his opponent here.
This has just been an absolute massacre. Uh-oh, part 1. Gonna be looking for the trifecta. There's 2.
Still holding on.
There it is. The Chimera Plex is complete.
There's 2. As he put him away. That's a pretty big win. Here are your winners. The Lock, Daniel Morales, and Gabriel Slade. An emphatic victory for your winners. An impressive effort from this duo.